Well, that is not the way you want to start your season. I've been crawling around getting on these birds for the past hour, and in the process I lost my secondary camera, so looks like I'm going to be out for a secondary camera angle for the rest of the week. But I tried my best to get as close as I could to those birds, and had them in range, and then my gun misfired like that. So you just got to roll with it sometimes, and I'll be back out there next week and hopefully get one down on camera. What's up, guys? It is the second week of April, and I just got off work, and I'm fixing to head out to a piece of public land. So far this year, I've just got the one Jake, and I've had some gun malfunctions, and I had a shell misfire. But the piece of public I'm heading to is actually on the lake, and I've always wanted to kill a bird on the lake. But a lot of my spots have been pressured this year, and this piece of public I've walked 3 times this year so far, and have just seen a hen. But today I'm going to go out and walk it again, just give it one more try. I'm really not expecting to see anything. Highly doubt I will, but it's worth a try. It's really windy out, but I'm going to go out and see what happens, and maybe get on a bird. Alright guys, so I just got down here to the lake, and there's a couple tracks in the mud right here, but they're not fresh. I'm going to walk up through these pines, and just kind of walk real slow since it's windy, and we'll walk through the pines and to the hardwoods on the other side. Oh my goodness, guys, that is the quickest turkey hunt I've ever had in my life. I need to calm down a second before I talk to the camera. Oh my goodness. Well guys, I've calmed down just a little bit here, and took a few pictures and did an Instagram live video, but I just cannot believe this worked out. This is by far my quickest hunt I've ever had. I was not expecting it to work out. Just getting off work, and it's only been 30 minutes since I parked my truck. And I couldn't believe it worked out that quick, and I honestly wasn't even expecting to see a gobbler. I've already been out here 3 times, and just a super awesome hunt. I still can't get over it, but I think the footage turned out good, and I really can't wait to share it with y'all in an episode. Well guys, I am all packed up and ready to head back to the truck. I still can't believe it all worked out, and it's still all setting in, but I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like and a comment, and if you've had a successful turkey hunt this year, share a picture with us on Facebook, and keep an eye out for the next one, because there's still plenty of turkey season left. Won't you tickle it?